The ongoing headlines are incessant when it comes to WeWork, and it looks as though perhaps it's not going to be as bad if they take the SoftBank route in terms of the ownership we thought initially would be a majority stake, but changing.
We're still trying to figure out what are the exact details of this $5 billion rescue financing package from SoftBank. We do know that they would not take a controlling stake in the company, but they could still boost their stake, and they already own a third. So if they go up any more, that's still a big chunk of the company. But we don't know at what valuation SoftBank is looking to invest in WeWork. Is it 10 billion? Is it 12 billion? Is it 47 billion? Probably not. Yeah. So another day, another WeWork development.
And of course, it keeps changing there. That's a really interesting point, that we don't know at what valuation and how much of a stake it'll be. It's a moving target here. Do we know how much money they're desperate for? Because at last reporting, they're running out of cash very quickly here.
Sources have told Bloomberg that the company could run out of cash by next month. This $5 billion number is interesting, though, because it's the same number that JP Morgan was looking to raise through a high-yield debt financing package. And these are the two offers the board is considering. So I would say $5 billion is clearly a number that they've zeroed in on as that they're looking for.
One's thoughts have to be with the employees. They've had such a whirlwind to have to live through, where their options being valued as 47 billion, then much lower, and now a lot of them being fired. How are employees thinking? How is the business thinking right now?
If you talk to people, and a lot in New York City do work in these WeWork buildings, and we've heard that the office managers do feel like there is some pressure. What does the future hold? But some people say there isn't a big change in the offices, like the people, it's still like it was.
Business as usual.
Business as usual. But you do read every day about some of these big leases in Seattle not going through and falling apart. So you have to wonder, if you're an employee of WeWork and if you have equity, what is that worth, and do you get anything for it going forward?
Let me ask a basic question. Who's going to be the one deciding whether to go with this SoftBank rescue financing or a JP Morgan arranged loan? Who decides that? Is Adam Neumann involved in any way, or is he completely out of the picture here?
Believe it or not, Adam Neumann is involved because he still has a board seat, and it's the board that is going to make these decisions. We reported yesterday that the board is working with Perella Weinberg, so that is their advisor, and they're the ones helping the board understand which is the best route to take at this juncture.